Sometimes what you need is already sitting right in front of you. You just have to know what to do with it. Grab a pen and let's jump in. In today's video, we're going to be working with doubles, and this is a setup that can be used in all states. I'm going to show you guys how I figured out which digits I wanted to build those doubles around. We're going to go through it step by step, see what the numbers are showing us, and then use that information to start putting together our double combinations. Now the first thing you want to do is pull 21 completed pick 3 draws. For today's example, I'll be using Georgia's Catch 3, and since Georgia has 3 drawings a day, those 21 draws will give us 7 days of results to work with. Before we start building any doubles, we first need to get those results in front of us, and here's what that looks like for Georgia. Now once you have your 21 completed draws in front of you, the next thing you want to do is write down the digits 0 through 9 and count how many times each one showed throughout those 21 draws. And remember, we're counting 21 completed drawings, not 21 days, so this works the same way no matter how many drawings your state has each day. So for Georgia, here's what that looks like. After you finish counting, don't start building your doubles just yet. Look at your total and circle the 6 digits that showed the most throughout those 21 draws. Those are the active digits you want to work with. For Georgia, the 6 active digits I found are 4, 7, 3, 2, 9, and 5. Here's what that looks like. Now that you have your active digits, the next thing you want to do is go back through those same 21 draws and mark every time one of those digits showed as a double. This is going to help you see which active digits were not only showing often, but was also repeated inside the same number. For Georgia, here's what I found. Now after you mark the double activity, the next thing you want to do is narrow those digits down again. For this setup, I'm keeping the active digits that showed as a double more than once throughout the 21 draws. That gives me a smaller group to actually start building from. For Georgia, that leaves me with 3, 5, 2, and 9. Here's what that looks like. Now with those 4 digits left, the next thing you want to check is which digit showed with them when they doubled. So for every double you found, write down the 1 digit that was sitting beside it. That gives you the partner digit connected to each one. For Georgia, here's what I found. Now that you have the partner digits written down, the next thing you want to do is see if any of those same partners showed up with more than one of your double digits. If a partner keeps connecting to different doubles, that's something you want to pay attention to. For Georgia, 4 and 7 are the 2 repeating partners I found. Here's what they look like. Now that I found 4 and 7 showing up as the repeating partner digits, this is where I can start building. What you want to do is take each of your 4 double digits and pair it one time with each of those repeating partners. For Georgia, here's what that gave me. Now before I keep all 8 of those double sets, the next thing I want to do is compare them back to those same 21 draws and see which double families already showed. And when you check them, remember the positions don't matter, so if you build 554 and 455 already showed, that is the same double family. For Georgia, I found that 4 of my sets had already appeared, and here's what they look like. Now, after taking out the double families that already showed, I'm left with 4 double sets. And for my Georgia Lottery players, these are the 4 that are left on the watch list that you can use to play in your state's upcoming draws. Alright y'all, that's gonna do it for this one. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you drop a comment and stay tuned because I got plenty more on the way. I'll catch y'all in the next one.